I've done a lot of self-reflection during this time of working from home and social distancing, and I've really decided that it's time to mature and just kind of leave childish things behind, which is why for entertainment we've decided to do food race.
They are.
3, 2, 1, go. Good girl. Today, and really over the next few weeks, we are remodeling our master bedroom, bathroom, and closet. Now, we started by just totally gutting everything. The drywall in this room was in really rough shape, so we just went ahead and took everything down and found a little bit of mold, cleaned it up. We took all the old insulation out and threw everything out. The first part of the project is that we want to change our bathroom door, our closet door, and the door to the bedroom. We want to change them over to pocket doors. Now, the door to the bedroom was already a pocket door, but we wanted to get a brand new track because that one was not so good. So after gutting it, the first thing we did was redo this wall right here. So if you look at this wall, we put new headers in right there because you needed that support over the pocket door, over both pocket doors. And then we put those pocket door frames in, got them nice level and square. And those look really good now. And then we replaced the pocket door frame that brought you into the bedroom. And that was a little tricky because we had to knock some stuff out that was attached to the drywall because we didn't knock out the wall on the other side. We just knocked out the master side of this wall here. So we were pretty proud of that one. And we put the door in as a test. Got some really nice hardware up top. So things have been going pretty well. We've been working on this, I think about a week and a half, doing a bunch of work on the weekends and then a little bit of work after work. So mostly what we did in the first weekend is just gut all of the walls and then got all that stuff thrown away and taken out, kind of cleaned up a little bit. And then we went for the ceiling. We're also going to run some new electrical because we did have to move around some switches that were kind of where this pocket door is going to be. So we did think about that stuff ahead of time, had a plan for where we would move outlets, move switches, going to add can lighting into the room. We're going to put 4 cans in here, get a new fan that doesn't have a light on it anymore. We're going to put 2 cans into this master closet. And then the bathroom is going to be a whole other thing. So we haven't really gutted the bathroom just yet. It's still relatively intact. And so is the closet. So we're going to get those things gutted hopefully this weekend. And we're going to focus first on the master, just the bedroom, so that our drywall guy, he's coming in 2 weeks. We're going to try to get everything ready in this master bedroom so he can be working in here while we kind of, if there's anything left for us to do in this closet and bathroom, while we knock those 2 things out. It is going to take us a little bit of time to get this bathroom totally cleared out, but hopefully not too long. Our hopefully end result will be the same general setup. This bathroom does not have a great setup. It's big, but a lot of wasted space. You can see kind of how wide it is between this vanity. Can you see? Between the vanity and the tub, just all this wasted space here. We tried to play around with doing a different setup and we just couldn't come up with anything good. So we're gonna go back with a wider tub. We hope to do this, so don't hold me to this. Wider tub, so it's gonna come out a little bit. Same size this way. Gonna rebuild this wall here. It's not square, it's terrible. I'm gonna rip it out and just rebuild it. Wider tub, hopefully some glass doors also to get into the tub that'll open out. And we have that luxury because we have so much room here. So we saw it online. We really liked the idea of getting glass doors, not that like rolled and slid back past each other, but that actually just opened up So that's what we think we're going to go for. Just going to get a new toilet. Going to go in the same spot here. We will have to do something about like the toilet paper holder because we probably don't want to put it on this wall. Probably going to put it on this wall. Going to add in a little access panel on the back of this wall. This wall, for whatever reason, doesn't have one, which is terrible. So I'll add an access door there. And redo a vanity here. And then hopefully put in some cabinets on this wall. So I'll have a nice kind of closet for this bathroom. We'll do at least one can above the shower. And then we'll do 2 vanity lights, one above each sink. We're going to come back with a similar vanity here with 2 sinks. This one's getting trashed. And that'll kind of be the setup here in the bathroom. And then in the closet, oh man, ripping everything out in this closet, putting in the 2 cans, and that's pretty much as far as we've gotten right now. We know we're going to put the drywall back in, and then we'll get some shelves. I'm sure we'll build some custom shelves in there and make it really nice, but that's really not a priority right now. The main thing is getting this bedroom finished, and we'll move back into it. We have another bathroom, so we don't have, we're not pressed for time to get the bathroom back. But he's going to drywall out the bathroom, and then slowly over the next like weeks into like month, maybe 2 months, we'll like finish the bathroom, get it tiled, and do all that stuff. And I'm sure at the same time, we'll do some shelving units. We might do something cheap temporarily just to get our stuff moved back in, but long term, we'll probably do some custom shelves in there as well. So this is kind of our update where we are. We haven't hit anything major that we didn't anticipate or expect. A little bit of mold, but we cleaned that up, hit it with some bleach, cleaned it right up. It's getting to air out for weeks basically. We're putting in new insulation all across this exterior. This is an exterior wall just right here. And then this interior wall right here, we are going to insulate it with this like soundproofing insulation. We don't need insulation because it's an interior wall, but we do want that soundproofing between us and the living room. So we're going to put that in along this wall here, and then this little bit of this wall here to try to shield us from the noise of that room there. We got spray foam ages ago, and there's some spots. I don't know if it was laziness or what, but there's some gaps, some holes. So we did get some insulation to cover those spots as well. Insulation here as well. And then we'll have to replace the insulation in the bathroom too, and along this exterior wall as well. So we've got our work cut out for us, but right now we're just in demo mode again because we got our 3 pocket door frames in. They look great. And now we will gut the rest.